Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these tall matter nightstands from Aitjunz. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting these nightstands. And so my wife and I just recently got them. And so let's go over what I like about them. So first thing, you have the top portion. So with the top portion, it does have a curved top appeal to it. So unlike regular nightstands, which basically just have like a corner top, this one has a curved top appeal. The second thing is that it has a charging dock right over here. So you got two USB cables, and then you also have two plugs right over here as well. And then inside, you could basically just place miscellaneous items. So we do have an open facing kind of like shelving compartment right over here. And then that's where the wiring goes. And then you do have two drawers as well. So one drawer over here and then one drawer over here. And so I'd say this took about an hour to assemble, and we're very pleased with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. If you're interested in getting a nightstand, definitely check this out. I think it really gives a nice appeal or aesthetic to your bedroom.